When was the last time that you took some time out of your business to work on the things that you don't know about business? Hi, I'm Phil from Action Coach Business Steps, and I'm excited to be hosting a 2-day business education workshop on the 14th and 15th of May called BusinessRICH. The 3 key things that you'll walk away from this workshop will include: you'll learn the key principles of working on your business as opposed to in it. When you work on your business, it will free up your time so that you can then focus on the things that really matter for you. How will you use your time? More family time? Play more golf? Maybe focus on some other business interests. The second thing that you'll walk away with is you'll get some real clarity on the 3 to 4 key goals that you must apply your attention, energy, and focus to over the next 12 months that will take your business to the next level. And the third thing is that you'll network and learn from other like-minded business owners who will be the next thing that you'll learn is and finally, you'll be able to network and learn from other like-minded business owners and learn about the different strategies and things that they may be employing in their own business or industry that you can take away and maybe apply into your own business. So join me on the 14th and 15th of May join me on the 14th and 15th of May, the Siebel Yarrawonga Silverwoods, and join me on the 14th and 15th of May at the Siebel Yarrawonga Silverwoods for this dynamic and educational workshop. Register now. You will thank me later.